Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Verizon affiliate program for phone plan referrals, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with the Verizon affiliate program, go to the Verizon website. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and find the affiliates link. Click on that link to access the affiliate program information. Read through the introduction and benefits of joining the program. Once ready, locate the Join Now button on the affiliate page. Click on the Join Now button to start the registration process. You'll need to fill out an application form with your personal details. Provide your name, email address, and any relevant website information. After entering your information, review the terms and conditions carefully. Once you agree to the terms, submit your application. Wait for a confirmation email from Verizon regarding your application status. Upon approval, you'll receive access to the affiliate dashboard. Log into the affiliate dashboard with the credentials provided. Familiarize yourself with the layout and the tools available. Navigate to the Tools or Links section to find referral links. Choose the mobile plans you want to promote. Generate unique affiliate links for those specific plans. Copy the provided links for your promotional efforts. Now, select your marketing channels for sharing these links. Consider using social media, blogs, or email newsletters. Create engaging content around the Verizon phone plans. Incorporate your affiliate links within your content strategically. Be sure to disclose your affiliate relationship to your audience. Track your referrals and conversions through the affiliate dashboard. Monitor your earnings and performance regularly. Adjust your marketing strategies based on what's working best. Continue to engage with your audience and provide valuable information. Stay updated with any new Verizon promotions and offers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.